Josh here, and today I'm going to show you how to enable USB debugging mode on your Samsung smartphone. This is super handy if you're looking to connect your phone to your computer for file recovery and even rooting. Alright, so before we could turn on USB debugging, we first need to enable developer mode. Here's how to do it. Go to the Settings app on your Samsung phone, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information. Now, look for something called Build Number and tap it 7 times. 7. After a few taps, the phone itself will speak on itself that you're a few steps away. Keep going until it says Developer Mode has been enabled. You might need to enter your phone's passcode if prompted. It's the same number or pattern you enter to unlock your phone. Now that you've got Developer Mode on, go back to Settings, scroll down, and you'll now see a new option called Developer Options. Tap that. Inside, scroll until you find USB Debugging. Toggle it on. You'll get a pop-up asking if you want to allow USB debugging. Go ahead and tap OK to confirm. And that's it. USB debugging is now enabled on your Samsung phone. If this helped, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.